Pig Moon Storytime. Hi, I'm Pig Moon. Let's enjoy today's little story together. Bamboo tube rice.
Hi, Monkey.
Hi, monkey. What are you doing? Hi, I'm just enjoying some morning tea. Would you like to join me? The bamboo forest is so beautiful. We're here looking for some bamboo. May we have a bamboo stalk to bring home? Of course. Let me give you one. Wait a minute. Bamboo, bamboo. Separate, separate. That's amazing. We've never seen magic bamboo like this. These bamboo tubes are just right for you. Thank you so much. We'll go home and start cooking now. Bye. Take care. See you next time. Let's make some delicious bamboo tube rice. It smells so good. Come and try our bamboo tube rice. It's warm and yummy. Hey, the story is over. Now, let me tell you a secret behind this story. This story was inspired by Vietnamese culture. The magic words separate, separate come from an old Vietnamese fairy tale, the 100-knot bamboo tree. And the rice we made, it's called cam lam, bamboo tube rice. It's a delicious traditional dish from the mountains of Vietnam. People cook sticky rice inside fresh bamboo tubes over fire. That's all for today's story. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to hear more fun stories every week. See you next time. Bye!